How to add friends to Steam Family Sharing. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, you're going to learn how to add friends to your Steam Family Sharing so they can play your games on their own account. Let's get started. Step 1. Enable Steam Guard. First, make sure Steam Guard is enabled on your account. Go to the top left corner, click on Steam, then Settings, and under the Account tab, check if Steam Guard is active. If it is not, enable it. It's required for family sharing to work. Step 2. Log into your account on your friend's PC. Now, on your friend's computer, log into your Steam account just once. This is needed to authorize the device for sharing. Step 3. Authorize the device for family sharing. Once you're logged in, go to Settings, then to Family tab. Check the box that says Authorize Library Sharing on this computer. You will see a list of other accounts on the PC. Select your friend's account from the list. Step 4. Let your friend log in. After you've authorized sharing, log out. Then, your friend can log into their own Steam account and see or share the games in their library. Quick notes. Remember, only one person can play games from a shared library at a time. Some games can't be shared, especially those with extra launchers or subscriptions. And both accounts must use the same PC at least once to make sharing work. And that's it. That was the tutorial on how to add friends to your library to your Steam Family Sharing. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.